At ClubCISO, we've been aware for some time that stress is a pretty big issue in the security community and something that many CISOs are dealing with. With everything we've been facing this year and the challenges that 2020 has brought, we really thought it was time to take some action and offer some practical support to the ClubCISO membership. That's why we've teamed up with Thrive to offer workshops on dealing with stress at no cost to you, the members. I've attended one of the Thrive workshops myself, and I found it personally really helpful. Simon Nichols led a very interesting and very empowering session that addressed issues of stress and how to deal with stress. One of the many things that I thought was great about the workshop was that Simon didn't pressure us to speak if we didn't want to. He encouraged us to take part as little or as much as we wanted, and that created a really safe, relaxed environment. We've been hearing great feedback from ClubCISO members who've attended the workshop so far, so I would encourage anyone who hasn't signed up to really think about doing so, not just for you as individuals, but also perhaps for your families, your friends, your teams, because you might take away something that helps you, or you might take away something that is helpful for you to pass on to someone else.